New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Preston or near Hurley, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Federalsburg, Preston, Agner, Harmony, and Smithville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely